It's pumpkin season, and you know what that means.
Oh my God, yeah, pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks.
No, well, not exactly. We are making pumpkin spice latte, but this is not the Starbucks kind. Starbucks pumpkin spice latte has 50 grams of sugar. That's as much as 5 Krispy Kreme donuts. That's insane. So I don't know about you, but I really don't want to be drinking that much sugar, especially in just one little coffee drink. However, it is delicious, so let's make a healthy version. It's actually really easy. You'll save a little cash, and yes, you can take this on the go. So let's get cooking. Add 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk to the blender. Then add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree to the blender. Very important, make sure it's pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. Then add 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. You can add a little more if you like it sweeter. Add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now you can definitely use alternatives to maple syrup here. If you want to keep things low carb, you can use stevia or monk fruit. However, I will say the maple syrup does give that extra pumpkin spice latte flavor, that kind of authentic Starbucks taste you might be looking for. Make 2 to 3 shots of espresso, or you can use regular drip coffee. Blend everything on high speed in a blender, or you can use a hand mixer for about 60 seconds. Pour it into a cup to enjoy now, or pour it into a thermos and take it on the go with you. Yes, this tastes like fall. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this latte as much as I do. And by the way, if you loved my friend Liz Days, the comedian at the beginning of the video, please do check out her channel. She's hilarious. I will leave a link here in the description. And if you're not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. We have so many fun videos coming your way. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a like. It really helps support the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.